Hi teacher, thank you for allowing me to send the video. Below I answer the question to task 3. The first question is, who are you? My name is Carlos Andres Alfonso, married and finished my degree in industrial engineer, with experience in the public companies. I am a committed person and very responsible with my work. I like to learn about new technologies and I am certified in quality standards. I am not a bilingual person, but I understand English mostly. Second question. What is your dream job? My dream job is to be able to practice engineer and contribute to the development of new technologies in the development of energies. Travel around the world training people in the use of these technologies, be able to have a company and promote entrepreneur from the company. Third question. What do you need to do be a successful? Finish my degree and specialize in energy development issues and be a bilingual person, be persistent and disciplined with my objects and goals. Fourth question. Which aspects can you help to improve in your professional area? Learn a new language, have better teamwork strategy, and try myself in innovation process. What can you do for the world from your professional perspective? Last question. Being able to teach other people the importance of being integral workers with respect for the company, learning to work as a team, respecting and supporting the ideas of others, and improving any process of innovation in clean energy that helps society. Thanks for the opportunity. See ya.